calm and composed. That's how the men in yellow have approached the game over the years. And it would be no different as they take on Delhi Capitals in their third match of the tournament at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. As always, it's about following the process meticulously. Dhoni's men had a relaxed net session at the ICC Academy on the eve of the contest. Skipper Dhoni started off the proceedings by rolling his arm over. Some of the big guns such as Du Plessis, Watson, Jadhav and Dhoni got themselves into the groove, and all the bowlers were in their respective zones honing their skills. While all-rounder Sam Curran would look to continue his good run, young talented batsman Ruturaj Gaikwad was sweating it out for a considerable period of time in the nets. Batting coach Mike Hussey believes Ruturaj will bounce back stronger.
He's obviously just so excited, wanted to make an impact right from the word go, and that's the exuberance of youth. If he came down and smashed the first one through covers for 4, we would all be going, wow, what a player, But unfortunately, it didn't happen. But I'm sure he'll learn from it. He'll take it in his stride, and he'll come back stronger.
Another promising Super King, Jagadisan, has been going through the grind over the past few weeks and is focused on the job at hand.
For me, in the team, it's very important that, I keep doing a lot of wicket-keeping drills because I'm a wicket-keeper. At the same time, I do a lot of batting with, there's always a purpose when I go inside the net. And, there's a certain game plan on what I need to achieve for the day. And at the same time, I focus a lot on my fielding as well because, when you have your captain, Mr. MS Dhoni in the side, you never know when you get your chance. You can either get your chance as a fielder, if not a wicket-keeper. So I think on my part, I'll have to be really ready for both, no matter what it is going to be, wicket-keeping or fielding. So my preparation is pretty simple throughout the season. I think I focus a lot on wicket-keeping, at the same time batting, and also I do a lot of fielding where I can always improve, and that's also going to give me a good positive sign.
Having travelled to Abu Dhabi and Sharjah for the first 2 matches, CSK are all set to play in Dubai, where they are trained for 3 weeks. Adapting quickly to different conditions will be a key factor going forward.
The conditions at Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, it's been different. So, and also, looking at matches that have happened in Dubai, the wickets are different. Three different stadiums in 3 different conditions. So, I think it's very important that we adapt to each and every conditions over there. In Sharjah, the wicket was good, but at the same time when they were bowling a lot of cutters, it was holding on a bit on the wicket. But when it came to Sharjah, I think it was a good batting wicket, and the boundary lines were also a bit short, and it was a good challenge for the bowlers especially. But Abu Dhabi, you have big boundary lines, and there's also a bit of assist when the fast bowlers are going to bowl a lot of cutters and stuff. So all grounds have different conditions, and I think the way we need to go about it is just adapt to all the conditions.
Super Kings have the super numbers by their side when it comes to facing the Delhi Capitals, having won 15 out of 21 matches.
I think it's going to be a really good game because, both the teams are evenly poised, and, there are so many good players at the Delhi side, and at the same time, we've got the experience, and the kind of players we have in our team is, we all know about it. So it's going to be a thriller, but at the same time, I think we're going to win it.
Chennai Super Kings ka